Tonight, I'd like to make a vodka martini incorrectly. I'd like to make a shaken vodka martini. This was drunk by James Bond, the fictional spy, created by Ian Fleming. So to start off, I'll take my martini glass and I will add ice to the martini glass. This is purely to chill the glass so that you're not pouring a chilled martini into a warm glass. So I will just take my glass here and just let that sit for a couple of minutes. I will then take my cocktail shaker and add some ice. So add some ice to the cocktail shaker. Just like so. I will then add 75 millilitres of vodka. I've got here some Sainsbury's vodka. 75 millilitres. Straight in. And then I will add about 10 millilitres of vermouth. This is a brand of vermouth. This is a type of fortified wine. Just like so. I'll then put the cap onto my cocktail shaker and give that a jolly good shake. Then take my chilled martini glass, tip out the ice, and then pour in my shaken vodka martini. And as you can see, there is a lot of aeration in that, which there generally, there shouldn't be. There shouldn't be any aeration. It's a shame, but I will take a slither of lemon and just give that a squeeze around the top. Just like so. Give it a rim. And then take another, whoops, a daisy. Take my already twisted lemon peel, put it in as garnish. So may I just say, cheers. That does not have a huge amount of flavour, because vodka is not particularly flavoursome. Whenever I've had these before, I much prefer to stir my martinis, because there is a less aeration and a less dilution. But if you want something that's cold and alcoholic, this is the drink for you. May I just say, cheers.